Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2015 Ford Edge SEL. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, chrome trim, deep tinted privacy glass, keypad entry, and much more. 18-inch split spoke aluminum wheels, all-season tires, speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder all-wheel drive with only 38,990 miles. The spoiler, the rear wiper, LED brake lights, the tow hitch, the dual exhaust, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with power outlets and cup holders. The front row, power heated leather seating. Cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, a locking glove box, outside temp, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.